Bring the cocoa pallet here.
Okay, lowering it now.
We need more sugar on this line.
Achieving the perfect smooth taste requires a delicate balance of cocoa paste, sugar, and milk powder, all blended slowly.
The temperature reading is critical on the far right panel.
Adjusting the flow rate now. There, parameters are stabilizing.
The mixture is refined until it becomes perfectly smooth and creamy.
Every jar is carefully inspected before distribution.
And that's how chocolate spread is made from Franz, from start to finish.